Hi you guys, today on Science, I'm going to be making ice cream. This little activity you guys can try at home. You're just going to need a few simple ingredients that you probably already have at the house. Maybe ask someone to help you find them and maybe you can have some help doing this. It's kind of fun. Alright, the first thing you guys are going to need is you guys are going to need some milk. I'm using whole milk. Any milk will work. And I've also added some half and half. We'll see. You don't have to. You can just do milk if you want to. Next up, I'm going to be using vanilla, my vanilla extract. That's for some flavor, to make it taste like vanilla ice cream. Let's see. Alright, next up, sugar. Gotta have some sugar. Give that ice cream some taste. And the next ingredient that I'm going to be using is salt. So, the salt that I'm using today is called ice cream salt or rock salt. You don't have to, if you have this, try it. But you don't have to. It will work with any kind of salt you guys have. If you guys have sea salt, like this, that'll work. If you guys have just any kind of salt will work. Alright, next up, we're going to need two baggies. Something that you can open and seal. Make sure it can seal. You want to have two of them. Next up, we need ice. Wouldn't be ice cream without ice. Some optional, something to stir with, and I've got a towel. And a bowl. Those are optional. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to do, I'm going to open one of my bags, just like this. I'm going to put it in a bowl. And what I've done is I've gone ahead and I've measured out all that we need. So, you're going to need about 1 cup of milk. Let's pour that into the bag. Just a little bit of the vanilla, not very much at all. I'm going to just pour that in. And the sugar is about 1/4 of a cup, so not very much. I mean, that's kind of a lot, but that's all you need. I'm just going to pour that in. And then I'm going to give it a little stir. What we want to do here is we want to make sure that everything is mixed together. So all the sugar is mixed in with the milk and the vanilla. Alright, so then mine is going to look a little bit like this. Alright. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to seal it up. You want to try to get most of the air out. Okay, now that I've got it sealed up, that's our milk. That's going to be the cream part of it. Okay, next up, you're going to take your other bag, and you want to put about half full of ice. Alright, I'm going to put a little bit more. So, to make ice cream, we start with a liquid. You guys can see that it's a liquid. To make ice cream, we need to turn this liquid into a solid. To do that, we're going to need to freeze it. We don't have very much time, so we're not going to put it in the freezer and let it freeze. That would just take way too long. So, what we're going to do is we are going to take our ice, we're going to add our salt, and what this does is it takes these ice cubes from this temperature from cold to very cold. So we're going to just push it around a little bit, and you're going to start to feel that it's going to get really cold, much colder than ice would get. This is going to help us freeze our ice cream. Okay, so I'm going to put the ice cream, the first bag, into the second bag. I'm going to push it around just like that. Now I'm going to get all the air out again from this one. Now here's where the fun begins. We're going to just shake it up for the next 5 minutes or so. Maybe not that long. And that is why I brought a towel. So I'm going to put my mixture into a towel because it's pretty cold. And that's why you guys want bags that seal, because you will be mixing it around. You can already start to see that our liquid is becoming a little bit more solid. That's cold. And the longer you guys do this, the more it'll turn into ice cream. The better consistency you will get. So when you guys try this at home, set a timer, see if you can make it all 5 minutes. Alright, once your ice cream is ready, let's see, let's take a look. No, it's not. It's getting there. It's getting there. Ah! Don't forget your spoon to eat your ice cream. Alright. Put this aside. I'm going to open up our ice cream. And I'm going to give it a try. See how it turned out. Looks like ice cream. Mmm, that is delicious. Well, that was fun, and you get a tasty treat. So I hope you guys get to try that at your house. Let me know how it turns out. All right, bye.